crunch time. Oh, he smacked that good. Oh, man. He's still in reverse, too. He can't even push it off the dock. He's trying to, but, man, I feel bad for him on this one, man. He definitely crunched that cow. There we go. He's going to use a little forward gear to push him off, but a tough break. Tough way to end a day on the water. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel, and I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back here at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. So Cap's going to go ahead and try and bring this thing in. But man, the damage has been done on this one. I'm going to have to try and zoom in here if you can see it. I mean, he's got a solid crack. You can see it right there. Oh, he's going to have to buy a new cowl on that one if he wants it fixed. I mean, you might be able to repair that, but gosh, that's I mean, scratches are easy to fix in an engine cowl, relatively cheap. You actually crack it, man, whole different ball game. Tough break, man. And we've got somebody else who's trying to back into the dock. No, bro. And these guys are going to do it at least at low speed, but they're going to hit the dock with the engine cowl as well. Man, and it's not even crazy busy down here today, but these guys are just, I don't know. Everybody's just on fire trying to back into the dock. And our crew's going to get away, and I don't think we're going to at least have a crack this time. Probably just a little scuff. And these guys hit the trolling motor on the dock. Everybody is smacking some kind of motor on the dock today. I don't know what's causing this, but everybody is hitting. It's just strange. It's one of those weird days down here at Black Point. And our crew is making their approach. And we got Wifey in the bow. She looks like she's trying to get some lines ready, so we're at least going to try and make an attempt at this one with a little bit of organization. And we're making the turn, so they're going to make a heavy bow first approach, so at least I don't think that these guys are going to crack their engine. But Wifey taking that dangerous stand in the front. Be careful. He's coming in hot. Brake check's coming for sure. Oh! And she hangs onto the bow rail, and that was a heavy brake check. This is an undercover police officer here. They must have realized that real quick and said, no, we don't want to dock here. I don't know what is on my boat. But the officer's going to help him out. And I guess I shouldn't say undercover. He's in uniform, but... And this crew will get it docked up, but that brake check was close to Wifey going over the front of the bow. And here comes our crew. Our guy's trying to pull in, but he's struggling. Pull, bro, pull! He's just not getting anywhere. The boat's pulling back. And there we go, really getting some back into it. And this boat just does not want to come around for him.
Oh, look at my friend.
And here we go, one more time. Our guy is struggling to get it tied off. Crew's making an approach. He's got a pretty decent angle. He's going to come in heavy bow first. Oh, nope. We're going to go ahead and brake check it. And as soon as we do that, everything breaks free. Gonna reline the approach on this one. Cap's all over the place with the wheel on this one, which is typically not a good sign. Got a solid angle here, though. He might be all right. Up, he's going to brake check it. His boy's holding onto the pole. Trying to hang on to the boat, too, but the boat's going to come off, and he'll get the pole back just in time. There was a boat behind him that he was reversing into, and he's just going to miss that boat. And our crew's trying to decide which dock they want to approach. Taking their time looking for the setup. We've definitely got the slow roll approach going, which is always a good thing, as we already know the golden rule: never approach anything faster than you're willing to hit it. But our guy's going to give it a little throttle here. We've got 2 lines on the ready. And we're going to get the assist again from our officer. And officer's having to fight. Same deal again. Our guy's like, no, officer, we don't want to dock here. Now that we've realized it's a police officer, we want to back out of this one. But I'm assuming you guys are about to get inspected. And here comes our boy. Over here at Black Point. Kind of chasing the boat down a little bit, and all of a sudden he backed off. I don't know if they had something they were going to try and feed him or what, but man, he is on the prowl today. But it looks like he's going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode on Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of amazing things over at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.